Loh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Before we start our lesson today, let's pray Al-Fatihah together. Al-Fatihah. Before we start our lesson today, I want to check your attendance list, ya. Abdul Hanan, Muhammad Maulud Zaman, Inayatul Ma'rufah, Dinani Firdausia, Siti Aisyah, Wardatul Nafisa, Nur Fadila. Okay. Okay guys, now we will learn about expressing opinions. Next, expressing opinions is an expression used to share someone's ideas from our views about a topic. For this example is, I think learning English is important. In my opinion, social media has many benefits. For the objective, students are expected to able to express their ideas boldly, clearly, and confidently in English communication. And then, the function of expressing opinions. Expressing opinions is used to share personal ideas, respond to an issue or topic, participate in discussion, agree or disagree with other opinions. Example of situation is class discussion, presentation, civil debate, and daily conversation. Okay, for the next. Expression of giving opinion. Expression of giving opinion has two expressions. Number one is formal expression, and number two is informal expression. Formal expression is these expressions are commonly used in presentation or academic discussion. So, for example is, in my opinion, I believe that I personally think from my point of view, it seems to me that, for example of the sentence is, in my opinion, education is very important for our future. Next, informal expression. These expressions are commonly used in daily conversation. For example is, I think, I guess, I feel, and for me. For the example of sentence is, I think English is easy to learn. Next is expression for asking opinion. These expressions are used to ask someone's opinion. For the example, what do you think about? What is your opinion about? Do you agree with me? And the last is, do you feel about? For the example of sentence is, what do you think about online learning? And then expression of agree and disagree. Agree is, for the example is, I agree with you. I think so too. That's right. Exactly. And the last is, you are absolutely right. For the example of the sentence is, I agree with you. The English is very important. And for the disagree is, I disagree with you. I don't think so. I'm not sure about that. I have a different opinion. For the example of the sentence is, I disagree with you. Online learning is not always effective. Now, is sentence structure of expressing opinions. General pattern is subject plus opinion expression and then plus statement. For the example is I think English is important. What is the subject? I. And then opinion expression? Hello guys. Opinion expression is? Think. And then statement is? English is important. And then number 2 is I believe education improve our future. What is opinion expression? Believe. And then the statement? Nice. Education improve our future. Okay, the next is example dialogue of expression opinion. Dialogue 1 is what do you think about social media? I think social media is useful for communication. I agree with you. And then dialogue 2 is what is your opinion about homework? In my opinion, homework helps students learn better. From the dialogue 1 in dialogue 2, expression opinions is agree or disagree? Agree or disagree, guys? The answer is agree, ya. Okay, understand, guys? Understand, guys? Kiki understand? Okay, I think enough for today. And then your homework is make 5 sentences about this disagree and agree opinion. The topic is English is the most important subject in school. Okay, understand, guys? I think enough for today. For my presentation, I will ask you to make a sample about agree opinion. If you know the answer, please raise your hand. The topic is general. Are you guys? Make example of agree opinion. What is it?
I agree that learning is important for our life.
Okay, right. The others? Nothing. Are you understand about my presentation, guys?
Yes.
Okay, I think enough for today. Don't forget to
Okay, for the harmful